Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhojpuri Verticals. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous Bhojpuri actress Mahi Srivastav. And today I edit a song and the song name is Najre Mein Kajre. And my video is more smoother and sharper and longer to the original one. And my video quality is 4K 60 FPS in vertical edit. So I covering all the angle of my Srivastav in this video. So Najre Mein Kajre is a vibrant and energetic Bhojpuri song that has resonated with audience both in India and among the global Bhojpuri diaspora. It is a perfect global Bhojpuri presentation of the traditional yet contemporary style is characterized by much of Bhojpuri music today. In this review, we will develop into the various elements that makes Najre Mein Kajre a standout track, including its thematic depth and musical composition, lyrics richness, cultural significance, and its lasting impact on the Bhojpuri music scene. At heart of Najre Mein Kajre lies the theme of love and celebration. The song encapsulates the essence of youthful romance, portraying the playful dynamic between lovers. The lyrics are infused with a sense of joy and exuberance, reflecting the carefree spirit of love. This theme is a common thread in many Bhojpuri songs where love is celebrated in the various forms. The song's depictions of flirtations and affection resonate with listeners, making it readable and enjoyable for a wide audience. The celebration of love is not just limited to romantic relationship but also extend to joy of life and community, which is hallmark of Bhojpuri culture. Musically, the Najre Mein Kajre is delightful blend of traditional and modern elements. The song feature is lovely tempo and driven by the rhythmic beat of traditional instruments such as the dholak and harmonium. These instruments are skillfully combined with contemporary sound, creating a fresh and engaging auditory experience. The melody is catchy and infectious, encouraging listeners to dance and participate in the fun celebrations. The upbeat nature of music makes it a popular choice for wedding festival and social gathering, where the atmosphere is filled with joy and energy. The lyrics of Najre Mein Kajre are particularly noteworthy for their vivid imaginary and cultural reference. The use of Bhojpuri dialect add authenticity to the song, allowing it to resonate deeply with its target audience. The playful language filtrations tone of the music lyrics capture the essence of young love, making it both entertaining and readable. Additionally, the song often incorporates reference to the traditional attire, local costume and social practice which further enrich its cultural context. This blend of modern theme with traditional element create a unique narrative that appeal to a diverse audience. Culturally, Najre Mein Kajre serves as an important representation of Bhojpuri music, which has seen a resurgence and popularity in recent years. The song has become a staple at celebration often played during dance, performance and festivities. Its reflection energy has made it a favorite among DJ and music lovers, leading to various remixes and adaptations. The widespread appeal has played a significant role in bringing Bhojpuri music to the broader audience, helping to preserve the promote to reach cultural heritage of the Bhojpuri speaking community. The impact of Najre Mein Kajre on the Bhojpuri music scene is significant. It has contributed to reveal of interest in the traditional Bhojpuri music inspiring a new generation to artists and musicians. The song's success has paved the way of more innovative and contemporary interpretations of Bhojpuri music, encouraging artists to explore new themes and style while staying rooted in their cultural heritage. This evolution is essentially more for suitably of Bhojpuri music as it adapts to changing music landscape while retaining its unique identity. In conclusion, Nazare Mein Kajare is a celebration of love, culture, and joy of life. Its catchy melody, vibrant and musically cultural significance make it stand out piece in the Bhojpuri music genre. The song not only music Bhojpuri but also foster a sense of community and connection among listeners, bridging generational gaps and bringing people together through music. As the Bhojpuri music continue to evolve, Nazare Mein Kajre will undoubtedly remain the beloved classic that showcase the rich cultural heritage of the Bhojpuri speaking community and countries to inspire future generations of artists and fans alike. The song ability to resonate with audience, its cultural relevance and its role in the celebration of life make it timeless piece that will ensure in the heart of many listeners. So if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.